Can I use block letters in my professional communications?
Hello and welcome to today's discussion. We're here to talk about something that we often get asked about, using block letters in professional communication. In this digital age, it's important to understand how to best present your written correspondence. Let's dive in and explore the ins and outs of using block letters in professional settings.
What are block letters?
Block letters are a form of writing where all letters are produced in a similar way to the uppercase alphabet. That is, they're typically written without any slants or embellishments and are often used for emphasis.
Is it appropriate to use block letters in professional communication?
In professional communication, the goal is always to convey your message as clearly and as professionally as possible. So, is it okay to use block letters? Well, it depends on the context. Block letters are often used for headings, labels, or anywhere a bold, clear message is required. However, writing entire sentences or paragraphs in block letters can be perceived as shouting or aggressiveness. This is because online etiquette interprets all caps, block letters, as yelling. Therefore, it's best to avoid using block letters for extensive text in a professional setting.
What is the ideal way to use block letters?
The key to using block letters effectively in professional communication is moderation. Use them to highlight key points, or in headers to structure your text. But for the main body of your message, stick to standard sentence case. Additionally, using block letters can be very helpful for people with visual impairments, as they often find block letters easier to read. In such cases, using block letters can be a thoughtful gesture. In summary, while block letters have their place in professional communication, they should be used with caution and understanding. Remember, the aim is to ensure your message is received in a positive and professional manner. Thanks for watching, and we hope this discussion has been helpful in guiding you towards better professional communication. Happy writing!